Thanks for tuning in. We've got another unboxing here, and this one would not be delivered, or the seller wasn't willing to deliver it to my Canadian address, so I had to have it delivered to my US address, and I just crossed the border and picked it up today, and I'm very excited to open it because it's yet another Aqua Terra. Part of my journey here is I'm narrowing down what I like, and the Aqua Terra is one of those watches that I really like. However, of all the homages that I've had or currently own, this particular model from Corgeut was the only one, according to the listings, and let's see once we unbox it if it's actually accurate, if the description is accurate. This was the only Aqua Terra from Corgeut from this particular seller that had the Corgeut logo, and not just the Corgeut lettering, which it looks to my eye, the logo just completes the look, kind of like the Omega badging is symmetrical and it's balanced. It looks balanced. So let's take a look here. We look at these boxes when they come, and you can't help but wonder if they come out of the same factory as Pagani Design and Benyar and all the other AliExpress brands. But nicely printed, flap top box, magnetic top box, and we've got a light blue. Yes, and here we go. See, I can tell right. Oh God, that's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Ooh, this is the first time I've actually done an unboxing where I can feel myself getting goose pimples. Let's give it a little shake. Yeah, here we go. We've got some action, and the plastic's still on, so I don't know if I'll be able to change the handset to reveal that logo. But you can see just above the Corgeut printing, there's the Corgeut logo. And vertical teak stripes on the dial, and the indices are the tiger stripe, or the shark's tooth, I should say. The hands are I'm sure it's a painted blue. It's not an anodized blue, but as you can see, depending on what angle you look in the light, it changes color. And it's it's a lot more legible than I thought it would be. And what do we have here? Display case back. I believe it's an NH35, and looks to be butterfly clasp. Now, the only thing that would make this perfect for me is if the date window was at the 6 o'clock. Just like, where did it go? Just like my Berny, but as you can see, the difference between the Berny and the Corgeut, the Bernies, because of that domed crystal and the size of the way the proportions, those don't look right. So that's mainly why I'm selling the Berny. The other Aqua Terra homage that I have is the Phylida. Now, the finish quality on the Phylida and the proportions are bang on, but that Phylida logo is just ugh. I wish they had maybe a scripted P just to make it look a little bit more classy. But yeah, see, 6 o'clock date window, and the color, the sunburst color on the Phylida dial is just absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting this on my wrist, and I'll do, of course, a wrist roll on my YouTube, and I'll put it here on YouTube, as well as I'll put it on my Instagram. And I'm looking forward to getting some wrist time with this as I narrow down and sell off everything else that I don't like to save my pennies for an actual Omega. But I'm still on the fence. The cost of an Aqua Terra, on top of that, getting it serviced every so often, I don't know if I'm willing to bear those costs. I have a feeling I'll be really, really happy with this one until I'm not happy with it, until I've got the itch for something else. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and have yourselves a great day.